Resurrection Day. Happy Easter. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm in the process of taking my multivitamin and I'm about to get dressed because we're getting ready to head to church. And I'm not going to talk much on this part. I want to continue with the montage, but I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. I'm kind of in a crunch time, so I'm not gonna be able to talk much and do my makeup. I'm just gonna do something really light, nothing harsh, because it's hot. And I got a lot more stuff that I gotta do today. So, let me do my eyebrows and my makeup and then I'll be back. All right, so my makeup is done, my hair is done. So I'm getting ready to, I think I'm gonna put my hair behind my ear. I think I wanna do that. So what I need to do now is put on my lip gloss, but I think I'm gonna wait to put on my dress. So I'm gonna put on my dress and then I'll be back. All right, so I got my dress on. I'm about to slip my jean jacket on right now. I got this dress from Target. I think it was like last spring or last summer, I think. But I'm gonna show you the whole fit in a minute. Hold on. I'm putting on my jean jacket simply because it kind of be cool in the church that we're going to. And I don't want to wear I don't feel comfortable wearing my arms out to church. Let me put in my scent for today is Gucci Guilty. Put on my shoes. I'm just gonna wear some. This light is acting retarded. All right, so this is the outfit for today. I am wearing this long peach or pink, yeah, I think it's like a peach and green flowered dress. You guys have seen this dress before. I've actually hauled it before, and I'm wearing just some brown slides, Tory Burch inspired shoes, my jean jacket, wearing my gold fossil watch, a gold, ooh, my mirror dirty, don't pay attention to that, my gold earrings that I got from Forever 21 or Target, and then of course my necklace with my mom in it. And yes, so this is what your girl is looking like, and it is time to go to church. So let me turn off this mirror We're gonna go ahead and head out. Huh?
Before you come down, will you bring my wallet and my phone?
You didn't know you didn't have that when you went downstairs?
No, I didn't. If I did, I wouldn't have came down here without it.
Hey, you look nice.
Yeah, you do too.
Thank you.
So you tried to throw a flash of pink on.
Where's my pink at? This is peach. This is not pink.
Whatever, Carla. Just get my phone.
He always act like I be trying to dress like him when in reality he be trying to dress like me.
When we go places, who'll be the last person to come down?
It don't
The
matter.
last person to do everything. Come on,
Where's
grab my wallet and my...
I'll call y'all back. Come say to the hey to the vlog, babe. Tell the people, hey, because they love you so much, but they...
Why is this basket still in here? And I told you to take that basket upstairs. Huh? Why is this little round basket still in here and I told you to take that basket upstairs? Okay. Alright, we about to go to church. We got to go in the cage for a little while.
You need to take your sweat rack. You already sweat.
I cut the air conditioner on. How y'all doing?
See, God gives us hope. He gives us eternal hope in heaven, but He also gives us living hope right now. See, the Christian life isn't just about going to heaven. I mean, praise God for that. But there's more than just eternal hope that we know whenever we die that we're going to go to heaven, but it's also a living hope for right now. See, we need eternal hope because life is short and eternity is long. And the older I get, the more I think about heaven, right? So thank you for giving me eternal and abundant.
Y'all, we started, church started at 10:45 and it's 12 o'clock. We out just like that. And this one right here can't stay awake. He was in a snore. Thank you. And they snoring. I looked at Terrence. Terrence looked at me. I said, Lord, my husband can't stay awake for nothing. right, guys, so that will conclude my Easter vlog for 2022. Hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with me in the kitchen for a little while, going to church with me for a little while, and just vibing out and doing my nails or whatever. So I'm going to end the video here because I've got to start another video doing something totally different. But I'm getting ready to take my son, his friend asked for a plate, because obviously my son sent him a picture of the dinner that he was just devoured or whatever. So I didn't really get a chance to, well, I think I did show y'all everything, and think y'all saw everything that I cooked. So hope you guys are spending time with your loved ones. Make it weird. Check on your loved ones, tell them that you love them, tell them that you appreciate them, you know, and just understand that trouble don't last always. You guys remember that he got up. God got up on the third day, he rose, okay? And remember that he paid it all. So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Make sure you keep looking good. Make sure you keep smelling good. And I will see y'all on another video. And I think I look kind of cute today. Let's see what, because I went ahead and changed my clothes. So I got on this cute little mauve tank top, these wide leg breeches right here, same shoes I had on earlier, with these wide leg pants right here. I think I'm looking kind of cute, kind of spiffy or whatever. Really cool, real chill. And I'm wearing my green sunnies, simply because it's got green in the pants. So, yep, so that's what I'm looking like for the rest of my Easter. I'm going to spend the rest of my Easter with my hubby and the kid. And I don't know what else we got planned for today. Well, I know I got a few things I need to get done. But in the meantime, hope you guys enjoy your Easter, and I will see y'all on another video. Bye.